Hi everyone, welcome to Medcracker. Today I shall be discussing about femoral triangle. It is a triangular depression on the front of the upper one-third of the thigh, immediately below the inguinal ligament. Thigh region is divided into three parts: upper one-third, middle one-third, and lower one-third. In upper one-third, below the inguinal ligament, femoral triangle is present. In middle one-third, adductor canal, and in lower one-third, popliteal fossa is present. This triangular structure below the inguinal ligament is femoral triangle, and this is medial side, this is the lateral side. So medial boundary of femoral triangle is formed by medial border of adductor longus muscle, and lateral boundary is formed by medial border of sartorius muscle, and base is formed by inguinal ligament, and this is the apex which is formed by meeting of lateral and medial boundary directed towards down and continuous with adductor canal. Talking about boundaries, laterally formed by medial border of sartorius, medially by medial border of adductor longus muscle, base is formed by the inguinal ligament, and apex is directed downwards, is formed by point where the medial and lateral boundary cross. The apex is continuous below with the adductor canal. Now let's talk about floor of femoral triangle. In medial side femoral triangle, floor is formed by two muscle, adductor longus muscle and pectineus muscle. This adductor longus muscle also contributes to medial boundary of femoral triangle, and here it contributes to the roof of the femoral triangle. This medially, and laterally two muscle, iliacus and psoas major muscle, play the role in lateral part of floor of femoral triangle. Floor, medial, adductor longus and pectineus, lateral, psoas major and iliacus. Now let's talk about roof and content of femoral triangle. The picture is transverse section. This is medial side, this is lateral side, anterior and posterior, and this transverse section is shown from inferior. So this is posterior side, this is the anterior, that is roof, this is floor, and this is femoral triangle. Roof is formed by outermost from skin, then superficial fascia and deep fascia, here also called cribriform fascia. This is skin, and superficial fascia contains saphenous vein and femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, also superficial branches of femoral artery, superficial inguinal node, etc. And in deep fascia, saphenous vein is opening, and this opening is called, the fascia in this opening is called cribriform fascia. And about the content is femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve. Femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral nerve can be remembered as vein. Vein is medial to lateral. Femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral nerve. Also here is deep inguinal lymph node is present, and another structure is femoral sheath. Femoral sheath is here. It includes femoral artery, femoral vein and lymph node, but femoral nerve is outside the femoral sheath. This is femoral vein, this is femoral artery and femoral nerve. Femoral nerve, femoral artery, femoral vein, and this is femoral sheath. This is femoral sheath which covers which includes femoral artery, femoral vein, and this contains inguinal node. This is called femoral canal, which is inside the femoral sheath. So content of femoral triangle is vein, artery, nerve, femoral sheath, and deep inguinal node in femoral canal. Roof of femoral triangle: skin, superficial fascia that contains superficial inguinal node, femoral branch of genitofemoral nerve, upper part of great saphenous vein, superficial branch of femoral artery, etc. And deep fascia with saphenous opening and cribriform fascia. Contents of femoral triangle: femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral nerve, deep inguinal lymph node, femoral sheath.